as well. Well, it's school time, isn't it? So drive accordingly. Yeah?
Yes. Nice and steady with perfect
Be careful of the gaps in between the cars as well. But when they're very close like these two, it's much more difficult to see. That's an easier job,
yeah,
because you probably see the shadow that side as well, but still be careful. Okay. I agree, that'd help as well. Look, we're turning right at the lights. Don't get like that.
Yeah.
Just slow down. Do you understand? Yeah. You noticed how many lanes are turning?
Yeah.
So that's fine. All it means is that we're going to go round not into the left lane.
Okay.
Now, we actually do want to turn sort of left at the roundabout coming up as well.
Okay.
And I've sort of like left you go here just because it was difficult. And sometimes there'll be scenarios where you won't find yourself in the correct lane. So we want to turn left at that roundabout. This guy to my left hand side, can you see any signals?
I can't see any signals.
I can, because it's behind this pillar.
Okay.
But if he was turning right, you couldn't go over there. But what if the cars behind him were turning left? Would that then leave you an opportunity to maybe signal and slide across?
Maybe.
Good. What if there was everyone turning right and you couldn't get across? Well, you could ask, and if they didn't let you...
If they didn't let you, I could probably just go around the roundabout.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay.
So there's your plan. You've got different eventualities there you can have a look at.
Yeah.
Onto it?
I'm onto it, yeah.
So there's never an issue if you find yourself in the wrong lane. That was difficult to spot there. I think it's a good way of getting out of things.
Okay.
Good.
Whew.
Let's see.
So many kids about, make me nervous.
Yeah, that's right. So drive accordingly.
Yep.
Well done. So just keep an eye on the traffic to your left as well. Are people turning? Is that a gap? If you're unsure, no, just keep to the right and go right at the roundabout.
Okay.
And go all the way around. So we'll turn right and come all the way back round to that road. So what do we do with the right turn? Where's the blue one going? Yeah, good. So we're going to go all the way round. He was close as well, wasn't he? No problems. So just do a complete lap of it. What happens here? Who's coming?
Nobody.
So it's all the way round again. So it's not this one, that's where we came out from. Now you'll get a chance to then go, who's this side? It's not the sharpest one. Don't signal left yet, cancel it. Because we're going to go down the main one.
Oh, right.
Alright?
Okay.
Get it?
Got it.
So we can't blame that car for coming out because of your signal. So you were correct there, just to go back off, leave them to do what they're going to do, because maybe it was my mistake to put the signal on too soon. Alright? Although you didn't actually know which turn you were going to take, I didn't have a chance to tell you, so no issues with that.
Okay.
Onto it?
I'm on there, yeah. Whew.
Good. Any questions with maybe how to fix certain different scenarios?
It's mainly just, so any lane problem is fixable
by going in a way that's safe for that particular lane, and then try and find a way to get back to where you're going to go.
Okay. I'm onto it. I'm onto it.
Good. What could have been, I'll let you deal with this before I gab to you. What could have been a different option if you didn't know where you were?
I didn't know where to were. Maybe I could have accelerated because I was in the right-hand lane, just made sure to get in front.
Sometimes that's an option, but that always becomes a little risky. Is that bus slowing down, do you think?
Yeah, serious, I think.
What should we do? Yeah, good. Good. Absolutely. Good. Nicely let the silver one out. Did ever so well. Now what? Good. Well done. cyclist going to stop at that red light? Nope, with a pedestrian crossing as well. Anyway, didn't affect us, it's not an issue. But going back to what I was saying, maybe sat-nav would have been a different option. Parking, set sat-nav.
True. Yeah.
Onto
I always forget about technology.
Yeah, that's right, it's there to help as well, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm the worst 22-year-old in the world.
I know what it is, you do well, you bet. But that was good. That was a good little experience.
Okay.
Don't you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, interesting one that. Did well.